Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create Google Forms in minutes with Gemini AI and Google Apps Script. I will paste the prompt in the description of this video. As you can see, it provides all the questions you'll need, along with the Google Apps script code we'll use to generate our form automatically, without having to create it manually or build it step by step. Next, copy the code and head over to script.google.com, where all the magic happens. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, click New Project and sign in with your Google account so the forms can be saved to your Google Drive after they're created. Then, you can rename the project if you'd like. Delete the default code, then paste in the code Gemini generated for you. As you can see, our code is ready, complete with all the questions included. Click on Save to Drive. Now, click Run to execute the code. You can see the execution progress here in the terminal. Review permissions. The process is complete. As you can see, our form URL is now available here. You can now open the form and check if everything looks the way you want it. The first link is the edit link. Use it if you want to add more questions, change the format, or make any other edits. Any changes you make here will be applied to the form. And that's how you create a Google form using Gemini AI and Google Apps Script. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful.